What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick before the video starts, if you guys could do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video, I really appreciate it. Or everything, the whole video, like every single part of the video will be recorded on this right here, which is my iPhone XS Max. I got my Canon camera in the car, but I don't really like recording it because I don't have, as you guys can see, my Mac right there. That I don't know why it has no SD card insert or whatever it's called. So I have to buy an SD card adapter for it. But anyways, today's video is going to be a fun video. It's also going to be a interesting and just gonna be an interesting video. I'm very excited for this. Today, as you guys saw on the thumbnail and the title, I'm pretty sure you guys know what the video is going to be about. But we're going to be installing some SLPs. But I'm pretty sure I talk a little bit more of the SLPs in the clip, a couple more clips down, when I show you guys the SLP and I open it. It kind of sounds weird saying it right now, but right now I'm going to head to the Valley. I'm gonna hang out with my friends, but since it's also over there where the guy setting the SLP is located, I'm going to go get the SLPs, and from there I'll show you guys how it went. So right now, like I said, we're gonna go head over to pick up the SLPs. I was gonna do a quick what's that sound? What's that sound? What's that thing I'm trying to think of? A quick startup, but my camera died. I'm charging when I get over to my friend's house, but I guess meanwhile I just opened the door and record it from my phone. We're going to be taking the Mustang. I was going to take the Seneca. Let me show you the Seneca real quick. There's a Seneca right there. You guys can see looking fresh and new. Well, not new, but sexy. Like I was saying, I was going to take the Seneca, but I've been driving the Mustang for about, like, well, not about, but the day I record this, like throughout the whole week. Now, what you guys are more interested about the SLPs. So the SLPs, I was actually, my next mod, as you guys seen in the last video I uploaded, was the X-Pipe. My next mod was going to be the Gen 5 tail lights because I really like those. I really like how they look. But I wasn't planning on getting the axle back right now. I was actually going to get it like 2-3 weeks before or after this video is being made right now. Right now it's the 12th of December. I was bored. I just went on OfferUp. I just looked up 3-valve, well, not 3-valve, but Mustang axle back, and I seen the SLPs, and I was like, wait a minute. Wait
a minute. Who are you?
The guy didn't even have a price on it. He just basically said shoot an offer. So I hit him up. I asked him if it's available. He said yeah. Asked him what the conditions on there was and if everything was there. He told me it was brand new and the box never been opened. I also purchased some exhaust hangers from American Muscle because the exhaust hanger on this one, on the passenger side, the rubber is like literally broke, like it's broken. But that's that. I'm about to hop in the freeway and yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so it's currently the same day still. It's just a little later in the day. It's 9:17. I went ahead and head over to buy the SLPs, like I told you guys, like around around 2:20 actually. So then once I picked it up, I looked at it. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. All right, so here's a package. You guys can see SLP. It was closed, but I actually opened it when I went to pick it up just to like make sure everything was there. But these are, I can't speak. This is the SLPs right here. We got the, I don't know what the correct term for this is, but we got the part of the axle back, I guess I'm gonna call it. Then we got 2 clamps. There's another 2 clamps right here. Then we got the tips, which are right here. 1 and 2. Damn, these are pretty heavy. 1 and 2. What we got in here? We got a Roush, attention Roush leader. This car must be provided to the All right, so and right here we have SLP, blah, blah, attention, start instruction. Product can be found online. Isn't this the border test? I don't know. Anyways, anything else inside the box? Just that. All right, so let's see. I wish they would have put like left, right, blah, blah, blah. But what I really want to look at are the exhaust tips. Let me take them out. These look nice. Like they're really, really nice. I like how it's actually like in the angle, as you can see right there. And look at the inside, straight huddle. Hey. But then it says SLP right there, which I also like. Next clip should be me either installing these, or me in the muffin shop. Alright guys, so I don't know how good you guys can see me. I'm in my car right now. I don't know why this is but right now, as you guys are watching, well, not watching, but as I am recording this, it is actually technically it's 2 days after the installation of the SLP. It's currently like 1 o'clock in the morning for on Tuesday. So right now I'm actually going to go ahead and record the startup and the revs of the 3-valve with the SLP LOUDMOUTH installed. And also the 2 videos are going to look alike because this is better, kind of, because I'm filming this part where I do the startup in the same spot I did the startup when I installed the X pipe. So that's why it might look a little bit identical, just to make sure you guys don't get confused. Alright guys, so that was a sound comparison. I can't say that word. That was a sound comparison with the axle backs I had and with the SLP. I will say that the SLPs gave it, who throwing fireworks? The SLPs gave it a louder, deeper tone or note, whatever you want to say. Because before, for me, like my opinion, because you guys are hearing it too, but obviously it sounds way different and way better in person than it does on like video and stuff. But the other axle back, it sounded like nice. It was like a low, loudish, deep note, versus with the SLPs, it like for sure made it louder and gave it a deeper noise. Why I keep saying noise? Deeper note, which I like it. Like I said, honestly, it's for sure louder than it was before. The ones I had on too, like before I put the SLPs, they were garbage. Like you guys don't even understand. It had like, actually, you know what? Instead of me telling you guys how it was, why don't I just have future Angel take it away, and he could teach you. So no, future Angel, take it away. Thank you, Pastor Angel. All right, guys. So right now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the old axle bag that were on the car. So here it is. Let me go ahead and turn on the. Can I turn on the flash? No, I cannot. Oh damn. Go down. So these are the old axle bag that were on the car. Where should I even start? Okay, so as you guys can see, the axle bag. The reason why I couldn't do it myself was because the thick end of the SLPs, the ones that go over the pipes, when they were able to fit in here. So this was bigger than the SLPs. This is why I told you guys I don't know what brand it is, because it's just like doesn't even have a brand on it. I think it's just a no branded. Then these had Flowmaster tips, but they did a shitty ass. Look at this. What is that? And look, what is that type of weld right there? There, this other one they couldn't even make it fit, so they already cut the exhaust tip just so it could go over the damn hole. What kind of shit is that? But this is the hanger that was messed up. Like, look at this. Look how torn it is. There used to be like a vibration that will come from the back of the exhaust. It was from both the passenger and the driver's side. And whenever I would be like on idle, like on a red light or stop sign, these parts will always come to contact right here. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoy it, I also enjoy making it. But with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. I'll catch you guys later, and peace.